What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be going over my LS swap parts for my 350Z. I've accumulated these parts a little over a year it's taken me. After parting out my other 350Z, saving up money, donating plasma, I slowly purchased these parts. There is your motor mounts and your transmission mounts. You have your bracket and your linkage for your transmission. I'm running the CD008. I have my ISR Performance headers, ISR Performance Driveshaft, Sikky manufacturing power steering lines, Powermasters starter and ISR heat blanket, flywheel and bolts, the CD008 transmission adapter, Canton Oil Pan, dipstick, and pickup tube. So my next purchase is going to be a block. I'm unsure which block I'm going with yet. I basically have all the swap parts ready that I could drop a motor in, hook up my transmission and my drive line. I still need to purchase a wiring harness, but I'm going to wait until after I have my block and motor completely finished. I just picked up an engine stand. So hopefully in the next couple months, get a block, start working on that. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Like the video. Thanks.